Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So we're pitting the Breville Barista Pro, ASINB08ZCNP8YR, against the Jura ENA 4, ASINB08YFD1JG3 today, huh? This should be interesting.
Absolutely. The Breville is a popular semi-automatic, and the Jura, a super-automatic. Two different philosophies. I'm excited to see which one comes out on top for our listeners.
Okay, let's dive in. First impressions? The Breville Barista Pro in black truffle really emphasizes speed. It boasts a thermojet heating system that gets you espresso ready in a blazing * 3 seconds. That's almost instant coffee territory, but with real espresso.
The Jura ENA 4, on the other hand, is all about that perfect extraction. It uses their signature pulse extraction process, or PEP, which pulses hot water through the grounds to maximize flavor. Think slow and steady wins the race, flavor-wise.
Right, and the Breville has that integrated conical burr grinder. It's got dose control, so you get the right amount of coffee every time. How does the Jura handle grinding?
The Jura sports an Aroma G3 grinder. They claim it's twice as fast as their older models, preserving the aroma of the beans. It holds 4.4 ounces of beans, so speed and freshness are the name of the game there.
Okay, so what if I want a latte? The Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing wand. I can practice my latte art.
The Jura ENA 4 is more streamlined. It's one-touch preparation for espresso, espresso doppio, coffee, and coffee doppio. No milk frothing here, it's pure espresso focus. If you want milk drinks, you'd need a separate frother.
I see. The Breville Barista Pro also has an LCD display that shows grinding and extraction progress. It's like having a mini barista school built in.
The Jura ENA 4 is more about eco-friendliness. It uses fresh beans, not capsules, which reduces waste. Plus, it's got a smaller footprint. Good for the environment and your counter space.
Good point. The Breville has a bigger water tank, 67 ounces, so fewer refills, and the bean hopper holds half a pound.
Jura is more compact with a 37-ounce water tank, perfect for smaller kitchens or single users. So the Breville Barista Pro is semi-automatic, giving you more control over the process, while the Jura ENA 4 is fully automatic for ultimate convenience. Which one is better for you really depends on your priorities.
Exactly. And the Breville includes accessories like single and dual wall filter baskets, a dose trimming tool called the razor, and a stainless steel milk jug. You're ready to go right out of the box.
The Jura keeps it simple, focusing on ease of use and minimal fuss. It comes with a filter, and that's about it. Plug-and-play espresso.
The Breville is heavier at 19.5 pounds, but its dimensions are 13.5, DX 13.9, WX 16 inches H, so it might fit under cabinets better.
The Jura is a bit bigger, at 17.5, DX 10.7, WX 12.7H, and weighs 21 pounds. So check your counter space.
Ultimately, it seems like the Breville is for someone who wants to learn the art of espresso and enjoys the hands-on process, whereas the Jura targets those who value simplicity, speed, and minimal cleanup. Think about your lifestyle and how much time you want to invest in your coffee ritual. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.